I'm Nana, a founder of Temboni, an online platform for coaches and mentors. And I wanted to tell you about my experience with the Marketing Accelerator at SPIN Ideas. I participated in the last cohort, and it really helped me tremendously to create clarity about what is it that I'm doing, what should I do, what is my marketing strategy. But most importantly, it helped me to reconnect to the values and to my goals and the purpose of what I'm doing. We were in a setting of a small group of other entrepreneurs. Each works in a different sector a bit, and that was a super helpful experience because except from the feedback that you get from Veronica, you actually get many more feedbacks and ideas, and it feels like working finally not alone, but with a team, very supportive team, and I really enjoyed working on the homework of the Marketing Accelerator as well, because they really helped me um, understanding better where should I focus on. And it's also great to really feel that marketing doesn't have to be like this scary thing, but it can really be something about you and can really reflect your values and your purpose and really be connected to your brand. And then it becomes much easier to be working on marketing. It feels less forced, it feels more authentic. So I really, really recommend you, if you struggle with marketing or just curious about it, to join the Marketing Accelerator or at least get some details from it. And yeah, good luck.